Logan with the Eco Plumbers here again, going over a little bit of electrical safety. So I am installing a gas line from here up to here for a stove. I'm going to put a little piece of CSST in, which is this corrugated stainless steel tubing. That's gas line. So I'm going to have to bond it to our electrical panel here, and using my non-contact voltage detector, you can see that this is the hot portion of the panel. This is where I will bond to, up here. So I'll put a 6-gauge copper wire. Oh, we don't want to hear that. That's coming from that up here. So as long as I'm staying down here on my breaker bar, my neutral bar, I'll be okay. Back again after this job has been completed. So here we got our gas line going up to our stove. Up top, excuse me, is a shut off. There's also one right here. And here is our bonding clamp, 6-gauge copper wire running up, over, and into our breaker bar there. So we are good code compliant with our bond, with our CSST, and we are good to go.